Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and today I'm going to be talking about planners, and we're going to be doing a DIY to make and set up a planner. I've got this one that's upside down, this Webster's Pages personal size that I've been using for quite a long time now for my social media planner, but it's no longer working for me. I'm planning my social media content a lot more now in greater detail. I'm planning further in advance. I've just got so many ideas and I want to be able to write up my ideas, add to them and that kind of thing. I like to schedule my social media posts as well, my videos and all that kind of thing, and I'm kind of like using Postits, which I've been sticking to my desk and they're not working, so I want somewhere to put them in my planner as well. I have a system using the Post-its for planning and for creating, scheduling, all that kind of thing, and it works really well, but there's just too many of them now, and so I need to go to a bigger size. I did pick up recently, if you saw my shopping video on my birthday, I saw this and I knew instantly that I wanted to use this. It's a really cheap planner from Wilko. It was £6, so we're going to be doing a bit of a DIY planner today. I picked up the inserts as well for £3, so it's going to be a super cheap planner setup today. And obviously you don't have to use yours for social media, you can use it for whatever you wish. But let's get on and set up this new planner. I hope you enjoy this kind of video. My videos are all about making life just a bit sweeter, trying to simplify things, make things more enjoyable, and just make life a little bit sweeter. So please do subscribe if you like this kind of thing. And I hope you enjoy today's video. So this is the planner here. It's an A5 size, and like I said, it was £6. I will link up the video of the shopping day when I bought it, just for you to have a look. And I'm going to show you the planner now so you can see what's in it. It has 4 rings, and these aren't obviously the standard type of rings that you get in a regular A5 planner, so just beware of that when you buy it. You've got personal info, useful numbers, and then we've got a year planning, which I quite like. This will be really handy for when I'm planning ahead. This is what I was hoping for. We've got a weekly planner, good things will happen. We've got weekly routines, and then we've got the weeks there, which are going to be really handy. I want to be able to just put down ideas for videos and that kind of thing. So that's really good. What I do like, they're not actually dated, so you can mark off the year, mark off the month, and mark off whichever week it is, so that's really handy for me. We've then got a list section here. I do like the colours as well, actually. Dreaming, after all, is a form of planning. We've got to-dos, important, shopping, and shopping, which again is quite good if I'm working on a video and I've got some shopping to do for DIYs and things. That could work really well. Birthdays, I'm not fussed with birthdays, to be honest. That section, I don't need to do that, so I think I will take this section out already. Pointless having something in here that I don't actually need. We have a notes section there, make it worthwhile, that can be handy, and a budget tracker. Again, I don't actually need that in my planner, so I'm going to take that out as well. There is also a little Ziploc bag at the back, which I will also keep. Also pick up this organizer essential set, also from Wilko. I said it was £3, but I've just seen it was actually £2. For this you get 2 washies. You get a page marker, which I really like. That's quite handy. We've got 2 little quote cards. We've got some jumbo clips, and we've got 1 dashboard there, which I don't think I need, to be honest with you. I'm going to start off by actually getting these pages ready. These are the ones where I want to be able to plan ahead for the social media posting. I've decided to use this dashboard from the £2 kit, and I'm going to use this to home, my post-it notes, just as little reminders. Again, I'll go through that with you in a bit to show you how I'm using them. So I'm going to use that, and I'm actually going to, I might cover it with this actually. This is from the March Lollipop Box Club kit. I'm going to do that, but I also want to use this tab top stamp. This is one of the Lollipop stamps. They're so handy just for creating your own tab tops on your pages, on your dashboard. So I'll link that up below as well, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this. Before, about how to use the Lollipop stamps. Now they come off and you're supposed to attach them to an acrylic block like this. If you don't have one and you're lazy like me, I do obviously have one, but I'm lazy. I'm pressing it down into the ink. I've attached it, taken it out and attached it to the packaging there, and I'm actually just pressing it straight onto the card. You can also use things like CD covers as well if you don't have an acrylic block. And there you go. And now I can just cut it out. So I've attached the tab top there. I've covered the back. I do obviously need to redo the holes, which I'll use my hole punch for. And I can then write in how I'm going to use it. I did also want to show you, this is my, because obviously this, I'm just planning for social media, but you can use your planner for anything. This is one of my old trip planners from when we've gone on holiday, and I've used, it's very well used. It's been on a road trip to the States through 4 different states. But this is how I plan my US trips, my Disney trips, and as you can see, I've used the tab tops there. I do have a video of when I created this, and I will link that up below for you in case it interests you to see how I create my planners. I do still need to finish putting this year's together, so if you would like to see that video, please let me know below. Like I said, I do have the one from the previous years, but I do need to do this year's. I'm just writing in it at the moment, but it's not set up properly, so if you would like to see that video, please leave a comment below and let me know. Now I'm going to create a pocket. I think that will be quite handy, and I'm going to be using this little quote card. So I'm going to stick down the 3 sides there, and then I can pop things in. And I'm going to be using the washi tape that came in the kit just to cover up those holes at the very bottom, because I needed a couple of strips to cover it up. Don't be worried about any bits hanging over, you can just trim those off. Decided now I'm actually adding the Post-its, that's these that I also picked up in Wilko, to the side. Now the idea is, this is when I need to work on my videos, so I need to still work at the moment on a creative journal post, which is video, which is for the 3rd. I've got it here, so it's reminding me that I need to record it. Then when I've recorded it and I need to edit it, I then attach it to my Mac where I do the work from. That tells me I need to edit and schedule it. So they're constant little reminders for me, so I know what and I need to do. On the inside of my dashboard here, these are just ideas that I've had, so I was already thinking about doing a trip planning video, and I need to revamp my hallway, but I need a decent amount of time because I want to paint it. I've also got on here, which I can add, we're going to be doing a new wall, feature wall in the kitchen with some DIYs, and we are also working on our son's bedroom at the moment. That's very, very slowly coming together. So these aren't imminent, but these are ideas that I'm actually working on, so they're just little reminders. I've also just cut some acetate to size, and I'm actually going to stick some extra Post-its on there, and I'm going to add the holes. Now I've got spare Post-its ready to go. So I've gone through on these pages that weren't dated. I've added April, and I've just added a little bit of colour just to make it easier to read. I've added the dates. Now what I plan to do for this is for video planning. When I've got an idea, I've written down exactly what I want to do and the more details of the video, and then anything I need to mention. Sometimes I forget if I've got a code to do or I need to mention something. I'm really bad at forgetting that during the video. I just carry on and record and then remember afterwards. So this way I can actually plan my videos in a bit more detail.
that would be really, really helpful. So this is how I plan my social media planning. This is how I was doing it before. I like to have it all colours and then split the day, so I've got my blog posts and then my videos underneath. As and when I post something, I do a tick, or schedule it I should say, it gets a tick. So for example, on this day, my Easter shop, I've already got that edited, it's uploaded, but I haven't actually scheduled it yet, so I haven't ticked it. Anything that I know I'm doing, I've done in pencil, and then as and when I record it, I can then pop it in pen. And it's going to be really handy having this notes section at the back, as at the moment I keep all my video ideas in a book, so I will actually be able to just write it in the back of my planner, and I feel like I've got everything now all in the one place. Quite often actually I take my planner out with me if I'm planning on the go. Sometimes we go to Starbucks and plan for the week. So again, having it all in the one place will be really helpful. I just want to create one more thing. I've got this page marker which I want to keep here. This is where I know obviously this is the page that I will keep open all the time, and I am actually going to add a pom-pom I think to the top there. And I'd actually already made a load of pom-poms last night. I've got this pom-pom maker which I absolutely love. My husband bought it for me for Christmas a few years ago from Amazon, I believe, really cheap. And I just sat last night in front of the TV and just made a whole load of pom-poms, just no reason at all. I just felt like doing it whilst we were watching Netflix. I buy all my wool from Poundland, super, super cheap. I think it's 2 rolls possibly for £1, or it might be 3 for £2. I think that sounds more like. Really lovely colours. And I've just, I always leave the ends really long. So I've just tied on the end there. Haven't done it too tight because I want to be able to close the planner properly, and this works really well now, and it just makes my page so much easier to find if we are out and about and I'm planning. Now to finish, I'm just going to add a few little die cuts to the front. I do like today's agenda because that works really well for me, so I'm going to keep that as a title. I'm going to use the die cuts though from the kit, which I will also link up below. You don't have to have the kit to buy them. You can actually buy them on their own. So I'm just going to use some double sticky tape and attach them to the front. That's now the front. Obviously, if I'm out and about, I will remove those and just stick them to my desk. I've just taken an A5 piece of acetate. I've added the holes, and I've got my little sticky tabs there on the back. So if we are out and about, I can just remove that page because obviously they're going to get crushed in my bag. Here's my new A5 planner then. I'm really pleased with it, and I just feel really good actually having it all in the one place. I've got my video section here with my ideas, my post-its, and then I've got my month, so I can just see it for the month ahead what I'm doing. And then I've got the month in much more detail, and I've got enough pages for the whole year. And then I've got my lists, and I've also got a notes section, pocket, and then the acetate at the back with my post-its of videos to film.
I really hope you've enjoyed this video today. It always feels nice to set up a planner and to feel organised, and that's exactly how I'm feeling right now. And this planner cost me £6, so that's a really, really good price. Like I said, beware, the holes inside, the rings, sorry, aren't the size or aren't set up to a regular A5 planner. So be aware, because you won't be able to use other pages. You will need to create the holes yourself. But I'm really pleased with that, and I love that pom-pom, it's so cute. So let me know, what do you use your planners for? I have an A5 planner for my weekly planning as well, and I'm using my personal sizes less and less these days. I seem to just need that extra bit of space, so this size works really, really well for me. Let me know what size you use, how many planners you use. I'd be really interested to know. Please leave a comment below, and let me know if you want to see a video of me setting up my new trip planner. This is my old one. Like I said, I'll link up that one below, but I do need to do a new one. So if that video interests you, please let me know and I will record that for you, because I need to do that very, very soon. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video today, and I hope you loved my cute new planner as well. Please do subscribe if you like this kind of video, and please give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.